At Blackline Safety, protecting workers around the globe and getting them home safe to their families each night is priority one. For years, Blackline has been transforming personal and area safety through connectivity with the most advanced safety wearables and gas detection devices in the industry. The reality is, in today's connected workplace, traditional throwaway beep and flash personal gas detectors just don't measure up anymore. Unlike connected devices, these detectors only alert the individual wearing them of potential hazards, neglecting the crucial aspect of alerting others. This can pose a significant risk, particularly if the worker is unconscious or injured. But doing more doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, organizations need an efficient and hassle-free way to manage compliance, ensure workers are always protected, and respond fast to incidents. This is the driver behind Blackline Safety's innovative yet simple all-new G6 single gas detector. Let's take a closer look at our newest connected, intrinsically safe device. As you can see from the label, this is a G6 for hydrogen sulfide detection. We also have devices that monitor carbon monoxide, oxygen, or sulfur dioxide. This is where the gas sensor is located, on the face of the device. It's protected with a covering to limit its exposure to liquid contamination. One of the standout features is G6's large color display to easily see if your worker is safe and your device is compliant. You'll know because it's green. At the top of the device is the antenna. Using LTE-M and NB-IoT networks, G6 connects directly to the cloud through a cellular network, providing reliable connectivity and access to the Blackline Live portal. You'll be able to access this live online portal whenever and wherever you need it. And thanks to G6's integrated GPS location technology, you'll always know how to quickly locate both your people if they need help and the devices themselves if they are misplaced through Blackline Live. On average, 20% of disposable single gas devices are lost, resulting in high replacement costs and operational churn. The G6 drastically reduces the number of lost devices with the Find My G6 feature and Blackline Live. Once on, G6 connects to Blackline Live every 5 minutes to 6 hours, depending on your service plan. Device location, gas readings, bump and calibration data, and alarms are automatically updated. Connectivity also eliminates the IT docking infrastructure and network maintenance required with disposable units. When we say it's hassle-free, we mean it. Another valuable and unique feature of G6 is the emergency SOS alert, which can be manually triggered by a worker if they need immediate assistance. Simply press and hold the right button below the SOS alert icon for 3 seconds. An SOS alert will activate a high urgency notification in Blackline Live, triggering an email or SMS text message to their emergency contact. Let's take a closer look at the display screen. The large color screen allows you to see the worker is protected. You can see it's green. Anytime you have a low urgency alert condition, such as when the device needs to do a bump test as per your organization's defined time frame, the screen will turn yellow. This icon on the left-hand side will change, showing a check mark once the device is within compliance. If at any point there is a high gas event indicating harmful H2S gas exposure, an immediate high urgency notification is triggered. The screen turns red. Red flashing lights appear, an alarm sounds, vibration occurs, and an on-screen message specific to the event appears. With all high urgency notifications, G6 automatically connects to Blackline Live to generate and send an email or SMS message to the contact identified in the notification profile. Once notified, within the Blackline Live portal, you can see the exact device location, where that person in need is, and send an appropriate response to ensure the safety of the worker and first responders. And that's important because in the event of an emergency, seconds count. Each tick of the clock without action could mean a worker not going home to their family. This is a key differentiator from alternative devices. When the disposable unit sees a high gas event, it will detect the gas, but it only notifies the user or personnel within a direct visual or audible range of the device alarm. With G6, you don't have to do the manual guesswork of determining gas presence or compliance based on testimony or data from docked single gas detectors that only tell part of the story. And with Blackline Analytics Essential Reporting, the information and data collected is automated and collated into easy-to-interpret reports to help you get ahead of safety risks, identify focus areas for additional worker training, and ensure devices are maintained to your company's set schedule. Another valuable feature of G6 is the rechargeable battery. After a full charge, G6 will typically operate for 5 days to 1 year, depending on your service plan, without having to charge it again. It can be charged using a G6 charge clip and USB cable, using a G6 dock, or a multi-unit charger available in 5 or 25 unit configurations. G6 has a device life of over 4 years, almost double that of disposable units, making it the most cost-effective, sustainable choice on the market. The G6 not only records low and high gas alarms, but you also know if your workers are exposed to low concentrations of gas that might be dangerous over an extended period through precise STEL, standing for Short-Term Exposure Limit Monitoring. You can also monitor if a worker has exceeded a certain amount of gas exposure within an 8-hour interval using TWA, Time-Weighted Average Monitoring. This provides an additional layer of protection. With additional insights, you can more effectively determine whether there are potentially hazardous atmospheres that exceed safe limits across work sites and facilities. The G6 device can be configured to display live gas readings on the screen, giving workers real-time visibility into their surroundings so they are able to make more informed decisions. Unlike disposable devices, which need to be in their docking stations to update firmware, G6 updates automatically throughout the year, ensuring users have the latest features as well as saving their worker precious time. And finally, like the rest of our connected safety devices, G6 has gone through a series of tests to ensure its ruggedness, durability, and ability to withstand real-world conditions. Whether it's shaken, rattled, rolled, or outside in harsh weather conditions, it's built to last. This durability, combined with G6's other benefits like fewer lost devices, long-lasting connectivity, and less IT burden, ultimately drive down your cost of ownership, simplify fleet management, and increase operational efficiency. There you have it. That's a glimpse of our G6. For more information or to request a live demonstration, please reach out to a Blackline sales representative today and give your organization the G6 advantage.